Cheese.
So like playing with the puzzle that Uncle Tim and Aunt Diane gave him.
Good job with the sheep. What's that?
Horse.
Yeah, that's the horse. Good job.
Mama.
Yeah, the farmer. You're almost there. Just a little wiggle. Yay, good job.
No.
Piggy. Can you get the chicken in? Jean did move the chicken around. Chicken is tough.
Caca.
Quack, quack, ducky.
Who's that?
Cow. Did you want to try the chicken again? I bet you can do it. I bet you can do it. Good job. High five. Where's the high fives? Yeah.